Welcome to the newly redesigned, fully accessible Lexile and Quantile Hub. We are excited to share some fantastic updates that will make your experience even better. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, our enhanced tools and resources are designed to simplify your instructional work. Let's dive into what's new and how you can make the most of the Hub this school year. When logging in or registering for the improved Lexile and Quantile Hub, make sure to use your school email address. This ensures that your saved math resources and bookshelves are available when you access your account. You will also be asked to select your district to align your account with the right resources. And remember, if you are an educator in one of Metametric's partner states, you receive complimentary premium access to the Lexile and Quantile Hub. In line with our commitment to accessibility, we're excited to share that our tools and resources now meet WCAG 2.1 AA accessibility guidelines. Enhancements include improved color contrast, alternative image descriptions, and labeled controls, ensuring a smoother experience for users who rely on screen readers or alternative technologies. Navigating the Hub is now more intuitive than ever. Tools and resources are neatly organized into menus, making it easier for you to find what you need quickly. Many of the tools you love can now be accessed from the Tools drop-down menu. You'll notice that some tools and materials have been reclassified as resources. These are now easily accessible within our redesigned Resource Center, which provides quick links to popular resources like Lexile decodable passages, grade level charts, or word lists. For many of the tools you know and love, you will see only minor differences, such as Lexile Find a Book. But one of the exciting updates is the combination of several math tools into one powerful tool, the Math Skills Database. This tool allows you to search by grade level standard and see the prerequisite, focus, supporting, and impending skills that students need to advance their math understanding. Not only that, it enables you to view the skill complexity in comparison to the quantile range for your students. It also connects you with resources for each skill that you can use immediately with students. Need a quick refresher? Our new user guides are here to help. They provide easy-to-follow instructions on how to use each tool, ensuring that you get the most out of the Hub. And whether you're a parent or an educator, we have information tailored just for you. Explore our comprehensive guides to understand the Lexile and Quantile frameworks and how they can be used to support learning in your classroom or at home. And if you ever need help, select Contact Us from the Support drop-down menu to reach a member of our team. And remember, whenever you log into your Hub account, it is important to use your school email address. Once you log in, your saved math resources and bookshelves will still be there. Want to deepen your understanding of the Lexile and Quantile frameworks? Register for one of our certification courses with the Lexile and Quantile Educator Academy. These courses are aligned with the new Hub and include videos, real-world practice, and customizable learning pathways. Look for the Educator Academy link on the Lexile and Quantile Hub to sign up today. See you on the Hub at hub.lexile.com. Copyright 2024, Metametric's Incorporated, all rights reserved.